Namaste dear friends, welcome once again to my YouTube channel, Sahas Entertainments and Cultural Activities. So today I am taking up a very special topic. I am rendering Deva Devam Bhaje, a superb Annamacharya composition, Carnatic classical music. So today is auspicious Annamacharya Jayanti. World over it is celebrated, especially it is for Carnatic classical music lovers, a very special day. So on this auspicious day of Sri Annamacharya Jayanti, I am just rendering this wonderful composition. Annamacharya Talapak Annamacharya was a towering figure in Carnatic classical music. He has composed 32,000 plus kirtanas in Telugu and Sanskrit. So that is it. This Deva Devam Bhaje is set to Raga Hindolam, is about Lord Sri Ramchandra, and the Hindola is the Janya Raga of 20th Medakarta, that is Natabhairavi. So the Arohanam, the ascending scale, ascending swaras of Hindolam is ascending swaras of Arohanam swaras of Hindolam Raga are Sagamadhanisa, and the Avarohana, the descending scale, will be Sanida Magasa. How to remember this? I will just say Sarigama Padanisa, Vipa Yagadisa. That is, we have to omit Re and Pa in the octave Sarigama Padanisa. So we will get Sagamadhanisa as ascending scale, the Arohanam, and the Sanida Magasa as the Avarohanam for the Hindolam. So that is it. So I will just render this wonderful song now. As usual, I will be giving the lyrics on the YouTube screen. Those who are adept already in Carnatic classical music, they will all know this full song fully. Others who are beginners and those who don't know can please take snapshot of this wonderful lyrics and try to mug up this and recite this often and enjoy the melody and devotion. That is it. So I don't know the Swara Prastaras, but I will give the perfect lyrics and render this song well. That is it. So here I go. Deva Devam Bhaje, Sri Annamacharya composition set to Raga Hindolam, which is the Janya Raga of 20th Medakarta in Carnatic classical music, that is Natabhairavi. So here I go. Deva Devam Bhaje, Divya Prabhavam, Ravana Sudavairi, Rana Pungavam Ramam, Deva Devam Bhaje, Divya Prabhavam, Rajavadashekharam, Ravikula Sudhakaram, Rajavadashekharam, Ravikula Sudhakaram, Ajanubahum, Nilabhrakayam, Ajanubahum, Nilabhrakayam, Deva Devam Bhaje, Divya Prabhavam, Ravana Duravairi, Rana Pungavam Ramam, Deva Devam Bhaje, Divya Prabhavam. Rajariko Danda Rajadiksha Gurum, Rajariko Danda Rajadiksha Gurum, Rajivalojanam Ramachandram Devam, Rajivalojanam Ramachandram Ramam, Deva Devam Bhaje, Divya Prabhavam, Ravana Sudavairi, Rana Pungavam Ramam, Deva Devam Bhaje, Divya Prabhavam, Pankajasana Vinuta Paramanarayanam, Pankajasana Vinuta Paramanarayanam, Pankajasana Vinuta शङ्करार्चितजनक चापदळनं लङ्काविशोषणं लालितविभीषणं लङ्काविशोषणं लालितविभीषणं वेङ्कटेशं साधु विबुधविनुतं वेङ्कटेशं साधु विबुधविनुतं देवदेवं भजे दिव्यप्रभावं रावणासुरवैरि रणपुङ्गवं रामं देवदेवं भजे दिव्यप्रभावं. So that is it. Namaste. Thank you very much, my dear friends. In the upcoming video, we'll take up one more wonderful such Carnatic classical music song and then enjoy its melody and devotion. That is it. Until then, bye for now. This is Suhas DP signing off for Suhas Brahmins Matrimony, Jayanagar, Bangalore 11. As usual, all those Brahmins worldwide who wish to avail my matrimony services for a nominal cost, please catch me direct on 8762331815. My number is coming on the YouTube screen. Thank you. Hari Om Shakti. Jai Shri Ram. Namaste.